Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your SmartThings hub using Samsung account sign-in, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your SmartThings hub using your Samsung account sign-in, start by ensuring your hub is powered on and connected to the internet. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, sign in to your Samsung account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Find your SmartThings hub from the list of devices. Tap on the hub to open its settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Select the Reset option from the settings menu. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to reset the hub. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the reset. Once the reset is complete, the hub will restart. After the restart, return to the SmartThings app. Select the option to add a new device. Follow the prompts to set up your SmartThings hub again. When prompted, sign in again with your Samsung account. After signing in, your previously connected devices should reappear automatically. If your devices do not reappear, you may need to add them manually. Ensure all your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the hub. Check for any system updates for your hub within the app. Complete the setup and verify that all devices function correctly. Your SmartThings hub is now restored and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.